in. They're way over £2 each these days, so, you know, get comfy, put on a pot of coffee, go grab yourself some snacks, whatever. Take my word for it, it's not going to be easy. Yeah, it almost feels like an episode of Man vs. Food. There are so many people here lending their support. I suppose I should thank Pearl Jam for bringing the punters in.
Is that clean enough?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sorry, I'm making a real mess here.
That's okay. It's a messy sandwich. You can do about it.
I'm sure they're getting bigger, you know. Each sandwich, it gets bigger than the last. I think this is the Americana.
Yeah, roast beef, turkey, ham, bacon, pickles, cheese, fries. Probably some other stuff too. I mean, I reckon you could in theory make this easier depending on what sandwiches you choose. I didn't pay a great deal of attention to that particular loophole though, especially with that blue demon thingy which is coming up.
These sandwiches are big. You got to. Yeah? Oh yeah, the Heart Attack Grill. Yeah, that was good.
This lady was a great sport, by the way. Part of me did start to wonder if she was working under the assumption that British people struggle to count, though, because even I'm not slapdash enough to lose count at 3. Still, nice bit of interaction.
These sandwiches are no joke, man. That's really the only way to do it and not have all the fillings spill out everywhere.